This video will go over how to split up a region and create essentially another territory from the territories that make up a region. So right now I have a region made up of Illinois and Iowa. And you'll see here that I have my map and data box and I have my regions, and I can uncheck it if I want to access the territories. So within that, now I can see that I have territory 1 and territory 2. Now let's say that I wanted to make another territory and I want to split it right in the middle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to my search tools at the top. I have a circle, polygon, freeform, and a drive time area. In this case, let me just use the freeform tool. Let's say I want to create a territory right in the middle here. And so I'm just going to create a big circle, and then once I connect my points, it'll ask me what I want to find within that area. I'm going to choose my zip codes, and I'm going to choose to remove it from first territory 1. Then I will click search again, highlight zip codes, and this time I will remove it from territory 2. And then if I want to create a territory with the shape, I click search again, and this time I'm creating a territory. So I'm going to choose zip codes, create new, third territory. Okay, so now I have my 3 territories. And so once I have my 3rd territory, if I want to add it back to that region, I can click on it. My select geography button box pops up. I can choose the 3rd territory, continue, and then I can choose to add it to my Iowa-Illinois region. And now I have 3 territories that make up that one region. When I'm done, I can click on my little line here and click the delete button. And now I can see that I have my region. It's made up of 3 territories now. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let us know.